What's up YouTube, it's Louis here bringing you today's cryptocurrency video. We're going to take a look at Matic Polygon, but before we get into this video I just want to say thank you guys for your support and let's get this video to 20 likes. We didn't manage to get there last time, but I know that we're very well capable, so thank you guys for liking the video. Let's dive into Polygon. So as you guys are aware, yesterday we did break out of this rising wedge, and we know with a rising wedge it's a bearish pattern, and so when you fall out of it you have technical targets, and it's each low point, basically each higher low. So this would be your first target, where of course if you were to get back above this pink line you would invalidate further downside, but of course we need to remember we're still in a bearish pattern, so there's higher chances that you do roll over again, roll out of it. That would be a technical target again. Lose that, this is your next target. Lose that, this is your next target, down at 68 cents. So all the points are noted out for you. This would be $1.45, $1.68 or 70 cents for you. So we have actually broken to the upside yesterday, but today we've fallen back in, and actually we've got a wick projection to the upside now, saying that I don't like being up here, I want to be down here. So this is telling me we want to come down. We're also very overextended from the EMAs. When you got above the 20 EMA after back testing the double brick wall, the 55 EMA, to continue your trend, you never back tested the continuation moving average, the 20 EMA. So this is what we need to see happen now. You can see here we're having higher highs, but if we go to look to the RSI, this high over here on the RSI is lower than the previous high, but on the chart we're getting higher highs. So you do have some bearish divergence, of course, hidden because the chart is telling you, yeah, we're bullish, higher highs, but it's hidden because the RSI is actually like, nope, we topped out here and we're actually already rolling over, and this was like a fake out, basically. Market manipulation, manipulated thinking is going one way when it's going the opposite, and now that is shown with this shooting star over here. This red candlestick, wicks at the top, is going to drop, and that's why I'm potentially thinking we're going to come down. However, what's throwing me off is that here you're getting lower lows, and so we have a low and a lower low, but here we're getting higher lows. So you do technically have bullish divergence, but I don't think it potentially won't play out. So of course, we're basically, you can see that this is some sort of falling wedge with the trend lines on the RSI. So to invalidate the bearish divergence, we want to see this trend line back tested as support, breakout, back tested as support, something like this. Get up, back tested support, start working your way back up. However, to invalidate the bullish divergence, we're going to lose support and come down, basically. And that's what I think is going to happen. Of course, I might be wrong, but I think that we are overextended from the EMAs, and if we're just completely forgetting about the RSI completely, we're overextended from the moving average, and actually you lost the one and back tested as resistance with wicks at the top. It's going to drop, and of course that over there is a shooting star pattern, and with the shooting star, if you see that at the top of an uptrend, it's going to reverse the trend. If it's mid uptrend like there, that green one, it's just going to come down in the short term, come up and then come down in the short term, basically. But if you see at the top of a trend, and when I mean that it's like a key resistance point, which the one is, then of course this is basically signifying that we're going to reverse now, start a downtrend in the short term. So of course lose that key support point of the rising wedge, we know where we're going given that already, but I think that we could potentially be coming down to the 20. Of course, if we get a bounce, amazing, get back above the one, confirm a support, good for continuation to our technical target, the 1618 at $3.30. But I think that if we were to lose this, we come to the 55 EMA, and this is what I'm actually looking out for, watching out for. Of course, if it doesn't come, amazing, continuation, but this is the level that I'm watching out for. And guys, let me be honest, as long as we're above this golden pocket, the 050 and the 0618, we are in a technical target to the 1618. So everything in between the 0618 and the 1618 is market manipulation. So if we come down, don't panic as long as we're above this white box, basically, because everything in between is waffle from this to this, basically, and this is our technical target since getting above this. Of course, if we lose this, confirm it as resistance, that's the only way we invalidate this technical target. Until we invalidate it, that is what I'm shouting out for, basically. But in the short term, we're going to have dips, and actually the bigger the dip, the bigger the rip afterwards. So once we start coming down again, I could then give you a new impulsive wave target, which is probably going to, let's say we come down like this to the 55, hold that as support. If that is then your bottom, of course this is just guesswork right now, because we don't know if it is going to hold. But if, let's say it were to, your technical target would be here at the 1618 at $3, and then potentially an overshoot above this to the 2414 at $3.46. So that is what I'm seeing for Matic right now. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Of course, if you are interested in taking your trading to the next level, for me to help you become a self-sufficient trader where you won't need anyone else's help, where you'll literally be able to look at the chart in the morning and then not even have to watch other YouTubers, and then do the analysis, see what you've done, and then go and watch YouTubers after, and then you'll start seeing, okay, yeah, I'm literally saying what the YouTubers are saying. So if you can get to that level, I can help you get to that level. So if you're interested in that, just shoot me a message either in the comments below or on Twitter. Just tag me at Twitter. Say, Louis, I'm interested. Of course, even if you just want details about it, just to hear about it, whether you want to do it or not, just message me. I can basically tell you guys what I offer. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.